If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce to you the Deskasow organizer bag, a Country Cow Designs pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see she's a medium size bag, has an adjustable and removable crossbody strap, carry handles, a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, and a double zipper pull. And seriously, look how far down this comes. So that makes it so you can open this big and wide. So we have a large slip pocket here for magazines or papers or maybe even a smaller iPad. This side we have a zipper pocket with another large slip pocket, as well as kind of like three little slip pockets. There's two that will hold cards and one that fits a cell phone really good. It also has this center divider pocket. So many pockets in this bag. Now this is one that can only really be made in cottons or lightweight canvases with a vinyl accent. It does have cotton on the bottom as well. Nice shape. It would be it's a great organizer bag. It truly is. All of those pockets for whatever you need to store in there. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not out yet, it will be out shortly. Coco says hi. This is our, what month is it? March Thursday class in 2024. So we are making this one, and then the tutorial will release to the public side once those classes are all done. You can also catch the tutorial early if you wanted to by joining the lowest tier of the Beans Peeps Club, where you get a sneak peek of all the tutorials before they launch to the public side. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.